Let's talk about the reagents and supplies required for the chemical sequencing or the Maxwell-Gilbert method of sequencing. So in buffers we need acetic acid, which should be freshly diluted from the glacial acetic acid, chilled absolute ethanol at minus 20 degrees centigrade. For methylation of DNA, we need dimethyl sulfate, DMS 99% pure, then DMS in ethanol 10% volume by volume. DMS buffer is required, sodium cacodylate is required, EDTA is required. अब हमारे पास कुछ केमिकल्स सॉल्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लिए हमें एडिशनल प्रोटेक्शंस की ज़रूरत पेश आती है. एक तो ये रिकमेंडेशन है सेफ्टी लेवल्स के लिहाज से कि पर्सनल और प्राइमरी बैरियर्स को मीट किया जाए. दैट मीन्स यूज़ ऑफ ग्लव्स, यूज़ ऑफ लैब कोट, एंड sometimes keeping in view the salt we are handling or liquid we are handling, we need to use a facial mask as well. So for sodium cacodylate, it is recommended to use the mask as well as the gloves. DMS stop solution is composed of sodium acetate, beta mercaptanol and yeast transfer RNA. EDTA, formamide loading buffer, hydrazine for modification of DNA, hydrazine 95% pure, and it should be stored at minus 20 in aliquots in tightly capped microfuge tubes. Hydrazine stop solution consisting of sodium acetate, EDTA and yeast transfer RNA is required. Sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide supplemented with EDTA, piperidine in water. It should be freshly prepared with a ratio of 1 to 9 volumes. That means 1 milliliter of piperidine and 9 milliliter of water. Then piperidine formate, sodium acetate 3 molar. For sequencing gel, we need to have polyacrylamide sequencing gel. And the products of Maxwell-Gilbert sequencing method, they are going to be electroforced on 6% or 8% denaturing polyacrylamide gels. न्यूक्लिक एसिड ओलिगोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स में हमें साल्मन स्पर्म डीएनए की ज़रूरत पेश आएगी, टारगेट डीएनए, रेडियो लेबल्ड डीएनए की ज़रूरत पेश आएगी, एंड देन yeast transfer RNA is required to prepare some of the buffers. Dry ice ethanol bath is special equipment. Then for counting of the radiation, Cherenkov or scintillation counter handheld is required. Ice water bath, microfuge tubes, rotary vacuum evaporator is required. Round bath rack with screw down pressure plate. Normally इस किस्म का इक्विपमेंट उस वक्त चाहिए जब हमें अपनी माइक्रोफ्यूज ट्यूब्स को हाई टेम्परेचर के ऊपर इंक्यूबेट करना है, and they contain the radioactivity. Because of evaporation, the tubes can get open up, the lids can get open up. So in order to place some pressure, this kind of equipment is required. और इसकी placement में you can simply use a weight over the closed lids of the tubes. Then sequencing gel apparatus and water bath heating block, which is preset at 37 degrees centigrade and 90 degrees centigrade. These are required to perform the chemical sequencing method, chemical sequencing using the Maxwell-Gilbert method.